So I'm showing you this video because this kid was rocking this class Pharaoh with quick draw, and not this, but let's just act like he was using grip. Okay, leaving this, he had this, and that. Okay, so that's 9. Okay, so let's just add overkill and VMP because he didn't use not one stun throughout the whole game on me. And so, and there you go. That's what his class had to be. He knew where I was every round. He 6-0'd me. He kept on going. He planted where I was not at. This kid's cheating. This is not proof of him doing it because I couldn't get the proof. He made me leave theater. Somehow, he got my game to restart. I guess he quit out or something, and I couldn't record. However, I would like to get this kid flagged for using the VMP glitch, the radar glitch, and that's all. If I get this loss, I just want this kid to get banned.